I have Confederate jasmine planted down my front fence. On this side, it's done really good. You can see it's got new growth all over it, getting ready to flower. Let's see if I can get you in there. Let's walk on down here and look. Now, all the jasmine I showed you today, with the exception of what was on the arbor, has been here 3 years. This side of the fence, you're gonna notice it's very sparse. The deer have just not given it a chance the further you get away from the house. They keep it eat off. I'm surprised it's even still trying. It's every year they've eat it down. So you can see that jasmine growing. The deer just demolish it. Probably one of our next videos will be on carrying fertilizer for Confederate jasmine, also known as star jasmine. I guess about June of last year, I built this arbor, planted these Confederate jasmine. When I planted them, they were about knee high in June last year. And you can see what they did and what growing time they had. So this year, they ought to overtake that.